Hello everyone. Today, I'm diving into the latest movements of the Southern African Development Community's Anti-Corruption Committee. On June 17, 2024, the SACC held a virtual meeting to review the progress in implementing the Strategic Anti-Corruption Action Plan under the SADC Protocol Against Corruption. The SADC Protocol Against Corruption is no small matter. It's a comprehensive framework designed to combat corruption across the 15 member states that are also state parties to the protocol. This ambitious plan, spanning from 2023 to 2027, aims to create a more transparent and accountable region. Mr. Tom T. Shamakamba, the Director General of the Anti-Corruption Commission of Zambia and the current SACC chairperson, kicked off the meeting with some powerful words. He reminded everyone that corruption is not just an isolated issue. It's a significant threat to the stability and future prosperity of the SADC region. His message was clear. Without addressing corruption, the vision of a prosperous future, as outlined in the SADC Vision 2050, could be jeopardized. Now, what exactly is this Strategic Anti-Corruption Action Plan about? Well, it's a multifaceted approach that involves numerous strategies and activities aimed at reducing corruption levels. The plan includes measures for strengthening legal frameworks, enhancing the capacity of anti-corruption institutions, and promoting public awareness and education. During the meeting, the member states shared their progress and challenges in implementing these measures. One key highlight was the emphasis on collaboration and information sharing among the member states. By working together, they aim to create a more unified front against corruption. This is a crucial step because corruption knows no borders. It can easily spread from one country to another, affecting trade, investment, and ultimately the lives of citizens. The SACC's collaborative approach ensures that no country is left to fight this battle alone. Furthermore, the meeting provided a platform for member states to discuss innovative solutions and best practices. For instance, some countries have introduced advanced technologies to track and prevent fraudulent activities. Others have focused on enhancing whistleblower protection to encourage more people to come forward. These discussions are vital for the success of the Strategic Anti-Corruption Action Plan. They not only help in identifying effective strategies, but also in recognizing potential obstacles and finding ways to overcome them. In conclusion, the SADC Anti-Corruption Committee's latest meeting marks another significant step in the collective effort against corruption. The commitment shown by the member states is commendable, and with continued collaboration and innovative approaches, the SADC region can move closer to achieving its Vision 2050. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned for more insights and developments on this important topic. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.